Hello there. Two things I'd like to apologize for. First being my appearance. I already worked out today and I'm kind of gross, but I'm so excited about getting this that I didn't want to put off opening it to when I wasn't feeling lazy and didn't want to change. And I apologize for the camera angle. I couldn't get anything better than this. Let me move back a bit, maybe. Ta-da! Do-do-do-do. Okay. So I was on Etsy. I was on the hunt for a mystery box, and I found one that is a craft supply mystery box, and I got really excited about this because I love craft supplies, and you never know. It's fun to like get supplies and be inspired in that way and have to work with what you've got. I enjoy doing that, so I thought this would be great. It's 5 pounds. It was $37. There were pictures of like the top of it, so I saw some of what's inside, and there was like this wooden bow that looked really nice that I thought I could do some things with, so I picked this one in particular myself. There were about 6 options, and this is the one I picked. So I just got it about 10 minutes ago. I already cut into it so that I could just open it right up, but I haven't peeked inside, so here we go. All right, let's see what we've got. It looks like this at the moment. Pretty nicely packed. I hope the bow's in there. So we've got a cute little doily that was $1.79 at Graham's County Crafts. I don't know where Graham's County Crafts is. It's 100% cotton, hand crocheted, made in China. I can definitely do something with a doily. These are like old craft supplies too. This is awesome. I'm excited. This is a little wooden sheep, I believe that's what it is. And it was 29 cents at one point. Oh, is this the bow I saw? I thought it was a bit bigger, but I can still do something with this. This is the wooden bow. We have a wooden, I don't know what the heck this is. It's got like, do those go in? I don't know. It's got like holes here and here, and then it kind of looks like an inverted Q when you stand it up. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's holes all around. I'll have to ask my parents if they know what this is, because I can't figure it out. All right, so next we have, let's see, we have this in a package. It looks like it's from Graham's Country Crafts, and it was $2.99. It's a cow puzzle. Oh, okay, I see. It's kind of hard to tell in the packaging, but there's a cow at the top, and then it says moo. These are some letters, and it's a puzzle. That is cute. I can sand it, paint it, varnish it, and bring it to school for my toddlers. Perfect. Let's see what else we've got. I see something pink. It's a little stamp. Oh my god, it's a Thomas the Tank Engine stamp, I think. Yep, it's the bus. I don't know the bus's name, but that's the bus. And then you open it up. Which way does it go? This way. There's a stamp. Oh, there's another bow. There's also these little beady things just kind of in there. So there's another bow exactly like the first one. Let's see, little heart. I've got these cones. I don't know, I don't think they go with this because they don't really, well, they kind of fit. So maybe they go with that. I have no idea. I'm unsure, but I have quite a few of these wooden cones. I've got a wooden thread spool. Yeah. I've got, oh, a little wooden lighthouse. This will be nice to paint. My aunt really likes lighthouses, so maybe I can paint this for her. I've got a little crack in it, but that's okay. It's a swan, I believe, a wooden swan. What else? There's some ceramic things in here that are wrapped up. So let's open those. Oh, it's a magnet, as you can see, and it's a little ceramic carousel horse. And we've got another one. Aww. See, it looked a lot bigger in the picture. I should have looked at the dimensions. Like I thought when I saw this in the picture, I thought it was gonna be like bigger and thicker, but this is just a little ornament. Let's see what else is in here. I mean, there's a decent amount of things in here, and it was only $37, so I shouldn't complain. I'm not complaining. I'm just surprised at how off I was about the sizing. All right, another one of those. Let's see, let's open this. So we've got this. I don't know what this is. Maybe a balloon? I have no idea. It could be a spoon rest though. I'll make it into a spoon rest. And then there is a little beetle car ornament. My friend used to have a beetle, so I could paint this to look like hers did and give it to her as a gift. That would be nice. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so this looks like a little wooden washer board for a miniature set. Then we have some kind of old 89 cent from Graham's Country Crafts. They're little red beads. This looks like a doll, a wood doll. There's this big thing right here. I'll wait till I get closer. Another, that looks like a goose. Can go with a swan. I've got some, I don't know why I just smelled it, but I've got some string. There's another ceramic piece in here. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay. Yep, they're very bird friendly in this box. This is a very strange looking mouse, but it's kind of cute. Okay, let's see. This is getting long, so I'm gonna try to speed it up. I've got something. 1, 2, 3 it says. Okay, did I hold it up right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That's good for my toddlers too. This also says 1, 2, 3. As does this. That'll be something to work with. Another bird. Little wreath. I could actually stick some of these things and the beads on the little wreath and make something cute there. Let's see what else. I've got another bird, a rooster. I have no idea what this is. Anybody know? This, I believe, is a rabbit doing something. Kind of looks like it's fighting something. Or maybe they're supposed to dance together because there's two. Hold hands. Cute. Ooh. A cat, I believe. And I've got these little wooden hearts. They're cute. Another wooden bow. All right. Let's see, what's this? Okay. So this, similar to this, has holes in it. I have no idea what it is still. I'm gonna put that aside. And there's another, there's more cones, as you can see. I don't know what this is. This is another bird. A very interesting shaped heart. It's cute. It's a little poor quality, but I and sand that and figure it out. So maybe this is a house, a very roughly designed house. There's a thing. What's this? Looks like something sitting down. This is like a Rorschach test with wooden figures. Like, so what do you see? There's this. A little shell. That's cute. Alright, let's keep going. A piece of, oh, that's wicked cute actually. It's a little doily piece. Let's open up this ceramics piece. Sorry. It's a little pig. And this ceramics piece is a race car. Okay. So there's this. This at one point was $15. I don't know what it is either, but it's got holes maybe. No, I have no idea. I have no idea what the holes are for. I can figure something out, definitely, to use this as a display for, so that's cool. There's still quite a bit in here, as you can see, so let's keep going. There's another bunny, another lamb or sheep or whatever. Oh, this is interesting. Little skull figure, wood figure. A chalkboard heart ornament. A stamp that I actually like. I think it looks like it's been used before, but it's a pretty little kind of Celtic design. More string. A marble. I heart. Some sort of animal here. Let's see. Another Celtic shaped stamp. There's tons of wood pieces in here. A chalkboard teddy bear, maybe? Yeah, and there's two of them. Ooh, I could do something for school with that. Just a wood block. A pine cone. Wooden tweezers. Tons of what are these? I don't understand. There's so many of them. Do they go in here? No, I don't. Another misshapen heart. Those I actually like. I don't know if you can do acrylic pour on wood, but if you can, I might do something like that on the hearts. Some confetti. Another thing. More wooden tweezers. These are kind of difficult to maneuver. What's this? A stencil. Cows and blocks. Does this open up? This is a shoe. It does in fact open. And at one point, it was apparently $1.29. That's interesting. I could turn this into a friendship necklace for my friend to be silly. What's this? Little adhesive dots. Another pine cone. A duck. I'm getting kind of bored here. I thought this was gonna be a little more interesting. Let me just fish around and see if I find anything interesting. This is cute, if it's actually a chalkboard. There's some seashells. I don't know what just fell out of there. Some seashells. shoe, the yellow one, and half of a shoe, half a pink shoe. Who would pay $1.29 for this though? Does anybody else see that? It says 1.29. I'm guessing that's the price. Let's see. More hearts, more cones. That's the bottom of the box. It's kind of cute. Heart shaped things. I can definitely use these little hearts for something, but it's not super exciting. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's cute. It's a little birdhouse. So I'm going to issue myself a challenge to create something out of these materials, and we'll see what happens. But I mean, technically it was worth $37. Was it worth $37 in my mind? No. I'm kind of disappointed, but we'll see what I can do. I think my favorite piece would be this. I'll have to figure out what to do with this. But I like to display things, so this could be a nice little display for something. Yeah. There's so much at the bottom of this box, but it's just kind of useless. Alright. I'll head out now. Thanks for watching if you did. I thought this was going to be a little more exciting for y'all, but okay, bye. I'm back. I did some quick Googling because I was interested in this Graham's Country Crafts store. So I did a little research to see what it is. I found their Facebook page. It wasn't much research, but it's a very interesting looking craft store, to be honest. This is what it looks like from the outside. And it's in Petaluma, California. It says they are a family-run business who has been servicing Sonoma County for over 45 years. They have unique and hard-to-find craft supplies. Come shop at 75% off store-wide prices. So it's a very inexpensive little craft place, and there's actually an ad here saying if you bring in a grocery bag, you can fill the bag and get everything that you've put in the bag for $10. And then scrolling and scrolling to see what they have, I noticed something that looked familiar. These guys, which, oh, I have one right here. I have quite a few of those, and it says that they were 75% off, so they were 32 cents a pop. So I'm not too thrilled, to be honest, with the mystery box after looking into it. It seems like this person probably took a bunch of grocery bags, filled them up for $10, then split them between boxes and sold them on Etsy for a jacked up price to make some money. That's not really cool. But the actual Graham's County Craft Store sounds pretty awesome, and if I lived in California, I'd probably go there all the time. But these are not the things I would pick out. I don't know. All right, just thought I'd give you a quick update, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Back again. So I didn't want to end the video on a negative note, and I did some more Googling and discovered that you can actually do acrylic pouring on wood, typically on flat surfaces, but I'm gonna try to do it on these hearts because I think it could come out super cute. And what do I have to lose, right? And then I had an idea about doing it. There's a lot of these in here, these like wood blocks. So I had an idea about doing acrylic pouring to decorate these and then turning them into a building block set. So that's something I can do. And then I came up with, this is kind of a weird idea. I don't know if I'm gonna do this or something else, but I put the cones in the holes. They're tipping over, but I would glue them. They kind of remind me of trees, and when they're all lined up, it kind of looks like a forest. So I thought I could paint like a winter scene back here and then paint these as trees and make it into like a cute little winter scene to put out during the holidays. So I'm getting some ideas of things to do. So I'm feeling a bit better, but I'm still a little disappointed, but I'll try to make the most out of it. Oh, talk to you later. Bye.